Buckle up, we're off to the next stop. Here we go again for another adventure with our little fam. But this time, it's just a super quick getaway. Kasi birthday ng ating awesome baby boy na si Ishan. And kung nanonood kayo ng vlogs namin, alam niyo naman na si Ishan ay mahilig sa tubig. Mapa-swimming pool man yan o dagat. Kaya, imbes na maghanda tayo, tinreat na lang natin siya sa kung ano talaga ang gusto niya. For today's adventure, we're heading to Nasugbu, Batangas. Medyo maulan dahil nga September pero ayos lang as long as hindi naman binabagyo. While some chase luxury, our family craves adventure. Back in 2015, John and I set out on a journey traveling, exploring, and living our best lives, young and free. Our world shifted as we built our little family, priorities changed, and the pandemic put our travels on pause. But as time passed, something was missing, the thrill of discovering new places. So we're back at it, but this time with our little crew in tow. Join us, the Francisco fam, as we embark on a mission to explore all 82 provinces of the Philippines, one stop at a time. This is Ishan, Kali, Ate Nora, John, and me, Sheena. Buckle up, we're off to the next stop. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa Canyon Cove sa Batangas. Right now, dahil day pass lang kami, hindi kami mag-check-in ha. Kinuha ko itong voucher namin sa Klook. So, lahat ng promos dito sa Canyon Cove, pwede kayong kumuha sa Klook. Sobrang bilis lang ng process. Papakita mo lang QR code, tapos bibigyan ka na ng wristband. So, may bayad din yung bata, regardless of age. Parehas lang yung bayad dun sa voucher. So, 5 voucher yung binili ko kasi kaming 3 adults, tapos 2 kids. Tapos, kapag bumili ka ng voucher, kahit saan pwede kang magstay, kahit saan pwede kang lumibot. Kunwari may nakita kang kabana na walang tao, pwede kang pumunta doon, walang bayad. Wala kang nang babayarang extra. Pero bawal magdala ng pagkain. Meaning to say, kung ano yung mga binibenta dito, yun yung pwede mong bilhin. Doon kayo pwedeng kumain.
Wala tayong makababa, Bi.
Natapon niya kasi, kaya siya naglilinis. Very good. O, yun pa, yun pa. Opo!
Galing ah.
Isa.
Tama na.
Nagbubunga na yung clean up natin ah. Kuya, sit down lang.
Yeah. Natakas dyan.
Ay, no, Isha, no.
Ayan na, dirty na yung gamit mo.
So, dito na kami lahat sa loob.
Si birthday boy.
Si birthday boy kasi tantrums. So, dito na kami lahat sa loob. Nahanap ko lang elevator kasi kailangan bumaba daw. Kailangan Welcome to Canyon Cove Hotel and Spa in Nasugbu, Batangas. This is one of the famous resorts in Nasugbu, Batangas, and that is because of its big swimming pool with beautiful beachfront access. We got our voucher from Klook for only 293 pesos per head for a day pass access. I didn't opt for an overnight stay kasi we thought na kaya naman nating sulitin ang activities dito sa isang buong araw. I only paid 1,503 pesos for 5 packs, meaning kahit ang bata ay kailangan magbayad ng voucher dahil hindi free of charge ang 7 years old below. Yung day pass mo na 293 pesos ay may kasama ng beachfront access bukod sa swimming pool access. You also don't have to worry about where to put your belongings kasi you can use the open cabanas for free. But you have to make sure to arrive early kasi mabilis ma-occupy lahat ng cabanas as this is a first come, first served basis. Bringing in food is not allowed. So if magugutom, you can buy from their food stalls inside. However, super limited lang ng options dito. In fact, there were only 2 food stalls when we went there. And both were super expensive. Kaya di na lang kami bumili. They also have a poolside bar for your refreshments, of course, may bayad ito. So you can order cocktails, mocktails, and any liquor. If you wish to book an overnight pass, possible din ito as they have plenty of rooms available for overnight stays. Meron ding option ito sa Klook. Hindi rin kayo mahihirapan sa parking dahil may malawak na open parking sila dito.
Diba? Kiss mom daw, oh. Ay, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Oh. Kiss mom daw, kiss mom. Nga.
Lulublob kami saglit eh. Hi! Uy, huwag ka masyado umano ha. Lumulubog ka? O dyan lang, sa ano lang. Yan guys, ito yung sand niya guys. Hindi siya kasing gold ng sa humalig, pero yellowish yung sand. Yellow na may pagka-gray. I don't know if nakikita siya dito sa vlog. O sa video, sorry. Yan na, may pagka-grayish yellow yung sand. Pero mas nangingiba po yung pagka-yellow niya. Yan. Tapos yung kulay ng tubig, of course, hindi siya dark. Para siyang light green. Kasi nga nag-blend siya dun sa color ng sand. Yan, malinis dito. Ayan o. Tapos, onti lang yung tao. Well, right now, onti yung tao na naabutan namin. Wala masyadong mga guests. Kasi nga tag-ulan. Medyo may pagka-pebbles lang. Yan. Ano ba?
Bawal daw siya sa lemon.
Ano siya?
Either Cinderella or coffee shop.
Wag nga, ito na lang, sweet sour.
Cinderella. Kasi yun, dito sa cafe.
Cocktail. Which one? This one? Fine.
Ano recommended?
Long Island.
Long Island sila.
Okay. Inom kami.
Oh, pwede na po. Yun. Tapos, pili ko gusto ni Kuya to. Ay, di abot.
Isa lang. You can only choose one.
Hindi, pwede dalawa.
Ah, okay.
Tapos, dalawang sauce. Strawberry and chocolate.
Oh, you can do all?
No. Ay, bawal. Sige, wag na yung strawberry lang.
Sakto 100.
Ano to? Hindi, wag na to. Wala lang ang dalawa.
Yan. Okay.
Diyan, anak. Dito. Ito, ganyan mo, oh. Ito. Naabot. Matakas lagi.
Okay.
Ay! Mali. Next pala muna.
Okay. Oh, click mo next.
Ayan.
Okay.
Tada! Ayun na. Ayun na. Yay! Ayan.
Wow! So,
Strawberry and passion fruit.
wow!
Ay, daming nilagay ah. Kanina, konti lang eh.
Ready for pickup?
Hindi pa.
Ah, hindi pa. Kasi it says here. Ah! Get ice.
Making progress.
And then finish. Wow. Ayan na.
Yun. Ayan na.
Finish.
Ako mo na. Ganun
Baka
o.
matapon pa
Ayan.
siya. Wow.
Wow. Uy, no. No na.
Okay, so how do you scoop?
Ito, meron sila.
Ah, meron sila. Tingin nga. Tingin.
Please na.
Tingin. Tingin. Ayan. We only stayed in Canyon Cove for 5 hours. Tapos umalis na rin kami dahil hindi rin naman talaga kami nagtatagal. Nasulit na rin namin ang day pass namin lalo na si Ishan and Kali. And since birthday nga ni Ishan, may nadaanan nga tayong super sulit na buffet restaurant sa Cavite na pwede nyo rin makonsider. This is Chali's Restaurant in Naik, Cavite. Take note, this is not a paid promotion. Literal na nadaanan lang namin tong restaurant na to on our way home. And we stopped by dahil nakita namin na they offer 399 pesos eat all you can buffet. And grabe, we didn't expect na sobrang sarap ng food selection sila dito for such a cheap price.
Dito, ito naman, ayun, may lupyang ubod, tokot, hindi, ano pa to, parang kilawin na baboy, tapos tofu sisig. Tapos yun, may potato, may parang stirred fried na vegetable and vegetable kare-kare. Ate, ito vegetable lang to ah. Kasi ito, may fried chicken sila, may mga chickens, pork chop. Then, ito, ano ba to? Pork ata to. So, may mga meatballs. then we have seafoods. Yan, may scallops and shrimp and mussels. And meron din silang siomai and sabaw. Yan yung takoyaki. Meron din silang fruits. Maha blanca. May mga vegetables dito. Tsaka maki.
After we eat, we went straight home since it's already getting late. Super sulit ng araw na to kasi hindi tayo masyado gumastos pero nag-enjoy pa rin ng mga kids and pati na rin kami. You can book your quick adventures in Klook as you can find some of the awesome getaways there. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch more of our adventures. O paano? Hanggang dito na lang. We're off to the next stop. See you!